Good afternoon, welcome back to ExpatCrib. My name is Ian, and today we are in Oriente. Just outside of Medellin, we are in the city of Rionegro, which is the next biggest city to Medellin. But this next month, I'm going to do multiple episodes of Oriente. Specifically, I'm going to visit places like Retiro. Well, I'm not going to visit Retiro because I live there, but also I'm going to visit La Ceja, El Carmen, Rionegro, Llanogrande, and maybe a few other places. So today I'm just going to give you a little taste of Oriente. All right, here we go. So this is the main plaza in Rionegro, the town center. It's actually a really nice town center. But as I said, today, in this first video, we're going to head from Rionegro off to El Carmen. I'm going to revisit this city in more detail, but again, I just wanted to introduce everyone to Oriente in this first episode. A lot of people are looking for alternatives to living in the city of Medellin, and for some people, Rionegro might fit the bill. So we're going to head on down from the main center here to the bus station. So Rionegro is a city, like I said, 30 minutes outside of Medellin, and it's growing like crazy. A lot of new buildings going in around here. A lot of older buildings, as you can see here also. As I said, we're going to revisit all of these towns: Rionegro, La Ceja, Retiro, suburb of Rionegro, Llanogrande, and El Carmen we're going to see today. Again, as I said, this is just going to be a taste of Oriente today, and we will revisit all these towns in the next episodes coming this month in June. All right, we're off to the bus station. Again, off in the distance there, you can see a lot of new buildings going in here. A lot of development happening in Rionegro, and there's a huge mall going in. I think it's part of the Tesoro Mall franchise, or could be Viva, I'm not sure. But if I have more details on that, I will put them in here. But again, that'll be a huge attraction out here, having a new mall similar to the ones in the city of Medellin. just around the corner here is the bus station. That's my bus from Retiro coming in right now. So let's go find the bus to El Carmen. So it turns out I went to the main bus station, but the bus to El Carmen is just over here. So the main station was just down here, and then to the left, and the station for Carmen, or the point for Carmen, the bus is right over here. So after a bit of searching around, I found the vans. They actually have van service from Rionegro to Carmen. So let's go. So I made it. 20 minutes from Rionegro. Didn't take long. And now we are in the heart of El Carmen. So I have to admit, it's been years since I've been here. So I'm trying to find the center. I believe it's down this way. Hard to believe, but it's actually pouring rain, even though it looks super clear. Welcome to Oriente. There it is. The main square. Just ahead. Again, I was here probably, I want to say at least 10 years ago, so it's been a while. Place has changed a little bit. Oh yeah, we are entering the main square of El Carmen as it starts to pour down rain. I think I'm going to take cover here. All right, little shower, didn't last long. We're good to go. Welcome to El Carmen. It's actually a beautiful little town, and the surrounding area around here is really beautiful. This is the main square. As I said, looks like a mid-century style church. Probably built in the 50s or 60s. Beautiful, beautiful main square here. Let's take a look at the church here. which is always the centerpiece to each of the towns here, each of the pueblos.
No, es que esa modelo tuya y están en la nube. Ah, acá te
Just a little teaser there in the church. All right, I think it's just about time to break for lunch. We will do a little bit more walking in a few minutes. So I just finished a great rib dinner and I was greeted with this. So, need to get the bus back to Retiro. Had a sudden downpour here, but that's life in Colombia. So, let's keep going. As I said, we will come back, revisit El Carmen another day. The town is super beautiful, but again, I stopped for lunch and then was met with a downpour. So I was here 10 years ago and nothing like this existed, so it's changed a lot. It's a beautiful little town for sure. So I'm back to my little hometown of Retiro, which we will feature in one of the videos, one of the episodes. But today I just wanted to give you a little taste of El Carmen. So it looks like we're here. So I didn't get a chance to end the video because it rained. We had a crazy downpour. But it's a day later. I'm in my beautiful pueblo of El Retiro, 35 minutes from the city. I hope you're going to enjoy this series of Oriente. Again, this is the kind of beauty you get to look at just outside of the city. Clean air, super safe, really cool people. So in the next little while, we're going to see the towns of Oriente. Hope you enjoy this series. This is Ian from ExpatCrib, and we'll see you in the next video.